Present, good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. So in the previous class, I taught you about phrases and clauses. What is a phrase? Phrase is nothing but it is a group of words which doesn't have a subject and a verb. So when I taught you about tenses, I showed you formation of sentence. A sentence starts with subject, then verb, object. Is it or not? So now, phrases cannot stand alone to give a complete meaning. For example, I saw a man. I saw a man at the street. At the street, it is a phrase, okay, because it doesn't have any subject and a verb. Okay, now let us discuss about types of phrases. Whatever the phrases which are given in your textual part, important that we are going to discuss today. Now first one is, sometimes this phrase can act as a noun, adjective, adverb or a preposition. Now first of all, the first one is noun or phrase. What is a noun phrase? Noun phrase. Noun phrase, write down. A phrase which or that acts like a noun, a phrase that acts like a noun in a sentence, a phrase that acts like a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. A noun phrase. Now let me give an example to you. See the example for noun phrase. She bought a decent white shirt. Shirt, it is a noun. Is it a noun? So shirt is a noun. So here it acts like a object. What is the object in this sentence? Shirt. Shirt is also a noun. Okay. Now next example. One of our close relatives never drinks coffee. See, one of our close relative, it is a noun. Is it or not? So these are the two examples for noun phrase. So a sentence can also consist of more than one noun phrase in a sentence. For example, one of my close relative bought a beautiful red car. You see here in this sentence it contains two noun phrase. One of my close relative and bought a beautiful red car. Car, it is the name of a thing. So car, red car, it is also a noun phrase. Now next one, prepositional. The next one is prepositional phrase. What is a prepositional phrase? A phrase comprising a preposition and object of a preposition is called a prepositional phrase. On the table, in the box, all these examples are for prepositional phrase. For example, what is a prepositional phrase? A phrase comprising a preposition. It means what does it contain? It contains a preposition and object of a preposition, and it also contains a object of a preposition is called a prepositional phrase. For example, on the table, on the table. Next example is under a tree, under a tree, at the door, at the door. These are the examples for prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase has a noun and a pronoun. A prepositional phrase has a noun and a pronoun which called the object of preposition, which called the object of preposition. For example, the kids were laughing at the joker. See, at the joker. See, the kids were laughing at the joker. It is a prepositional phrase. Okay, can you see here? At the joker. Okay. Now next one. He is sleeping. He is sleeping at the carpet. He is sleeping at the carpet. At the carpet, it is a prepositional phrase. Next example is he always speaks. He always speaks. He always speaks in a loud voice. In a loud voice. So it is a prepositional phrase. Next one is verb phrase. Now what is a verb phrase? A verb phrase is a group of main verb and auxiliary verb, means helping verbs. Okay, so what is a verb phrase? A verb phrase is a group of main verb and helping verb. For example, she is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. You can see what is the main verb here. Writing is the main verb and is a helping verb. Okay, she is writing a letter. Next one is he has taken his annual exam. He has taken his annual exam. So what is the main verb in this sentence? Taken. Take, took, taken, taking. V1, V2, V3, V4. Is it or not? Main verb, conjugative verb. Now what is the helping verb here? Has. He has taken his annual verb. Okay. This is the second example. And the next example is she is playing tennis. She is playing tennis. So playing is main verb, is helping verb. Okay. He is writing a novel. He is writing a novel. In that also it contain helping verb as well as a main verb. So these are the topic that what I have covered, which is given as a part of your textbook. Okay, so hope you understand this topic.